What do you think?
The expectation on the pro is that you're paying for the
I don't pay it anyway. That's not really, but somebody does, right?
Stretch that shaving out. I see it.
Insurance company, but
Splitting a bit.
don't worry. If you make money, you wouldn't say that's right. They're only in business to make.
That's what we want to see. It's almost holographic.
You speak Chinese or other?
Yeah, I speak sign. Not enough to do business in Chinese.
That's what we're looking for, right there. Full length, full width, nice shavings.
They have to understand. Nobody gets to touch these but me.
Beautiful. I love it when a plan comes together. Here's Bruce doing it. All right.
From Diamond to the Sharpen, 1000.
This working?
Yeah. Look at that shaving. Nice.
That's what we want to see. Full length, full width.
Don't make fun of the customers. I was just making fun of your plan. Yeah, I know. My plan is sensitive.
Oop, there it goes. Open it up to see it.
It's already broken apart.
Okay. Okay.
I'm more successful than
All right, let's see the shaving.
Ta-da!
Ta-da. That's what we want to see. Beautiful plane.
I'm still recording.
Yep.